Hey friends, welcome back for the second video like I told you, which we'll be doing, drumroll please, dun, 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 dun. AT versus Tauntaun Microfighter, set number 75298, sitting at 205 pieces. Comes with actual size Luke Skywalker and an AT driver, so they can duke it out, battle it out. I think it's pretty cool when we flip it to the back here. They got two building instructions, so you and someone else can build. One could build the AT, one could build the Tauntaun, so forth. So yeah, let's just get right into it here. I think, I don't know which one we'll build first. I think I'll decide that here in the next 30 seconds because I kind of got to. And maybe we'll just build the first one that comes out. Who knows? The first one is AT. So we'll do the AT first. Oh, and I picked number one as always. Set that box off to the side, and there you go. Bag one, bag two. So we're gonna do bag one. We're gonna start off, the way they want you to. Such tiny instructions. First things first, let's put our guy together here. Put his face on. Put his pants on. And where is his helmet? There it is. Put his helmet on. Oh, he gets binoculars, so he can see the enemy coming from miles and miles away. So go just like that. Then we'll get his little blaster here. Let's load him up with some ammo. Just like so. So now, if his AT goes down, he's ready. He's ready to blast some folks. And here we go. We are going to start with, I think we're starting with the head here. This is going to be such a quick build compared to the $160 AT that I had built about a couple weeks ago now. And compared in size, this is going to be a lot, that's not what I need, a lot smaller. Where's the piece I need? There it is. So pretty symmetrical so far. What we've done to one side, we've done to the other. And then we're going to cap that off. I'm assuming this is the head here. Oh, did I do that wrong? Oh, no, it's just another piece. Put that there, then offset it. That's where I got confused. Trying to put a piece where I can't. Hey, yeah. Man, they like to use a lot of these pieces so far. Maybe this is the body. We might actually be doing the body first. It might make sense. And start with the body and build out versus the head, and then, you know, would make a little more sense if this was, you know, real. I wonder if anyone has tried to make a real, not just AT-AT, but like any Star Wars ship or speeder bike or any vehicle for that matter. So I'd be curious to check it out. Might have to look it up here in a bit, see what I can find. But there you are. Put you here. Put another one there. And another one right there. Right there, right there. This one faces inside. Oh, this must be where he's gonna sit. I can't. It won't. It won't go. There. I'll just go there. There you go. Maybe he'll stand. No, I think that's... So I think this is the body. Because this is definitely where... Let me find this piece first. That's definitely where he'll sit. You know, he'll sit something like that, you know, with the head attached here. Yep, we'll get his little control panel going. If I can, there it goes. Push it down. Oh no, I did that wrong. Dang it. Dang it. Oh, I'm glad I caught that now. That's what I get for not paying attention, guys. Is that how that goes? Yeah. Quick, easy fix, but try to avoid that, 'cause sometimes you get too far and then you're going to be upset because you got to tear off. Go back, find out where it is stepwise that you missed. So I'm trying not to do that. I'm glad I caught it right away. I know this is a small build, but I'm glad I caught it right away. Save me the hassle. Put our didgeridoos back in here. And put our angle here. This in here. And we are halfway through the book, the instructions here. So almost done with the AT-AT, or AT, as some of you may prefer. Oh, I just ripped that up. We won't talk about that. We won't talk about that. And now we will rotate and do the same so that we can connect the legs here. Give him a little bit of armor, even though he is so small. As a play standpoint, this would probably be a better one because it is so small. You know, it would be easy to fix if it does happen to break. Not that you'd probably want it to break, but if it does, because it happens. Be easy to fix. Now I can set him down, and we'll start on the head here. His head's gonna be so tiny. I mean, look at that. Very, very tiny. Flip her over here. Put that there. Oh, get his little blasters. Then we can flip him back over, set him down, put the visor, even though he's going to sit on top. And we'll do a little something like, yeah. I kind of dig it. I kind of dig this. Dig the little head here. What am I looking for? I already forgot. Gotta make 2 of these. So there's 1. Here is 2, and we'll face them forward, they say. And there you go, head complete. And now, do we attach it? Yes, we do. Just go ahead and snap them in like that. That's a lot smaller than what I thought, but I like it for how big, or small rather, he is. I can dig. Now we're gonna make the feet, and they all look like they're gonna be the same. And oh yeah, this will be fairly short. He's gonna have short, stubby legs. Like this, and put him like underneath. There's 1. Oh, him underneath, and here's, ouch, pinch myself. There's 2. Three, and now we'll do 4, and just like that, the legs are done, and we can put, okay, let's, don't need these anymore, set that aside. Got a couple extra blaster shots here. You know, he'll need them. Got some extra pieces as well. Do not need them. Let's go ahead and put our legs on. And ladies and gentlemen, you got some, you know, mobility, which is cool. It's a lot more than what I expected. Now we'll put that up. We'll put him in. There we go. He's ready for battle. We'll set him aside. Move his blaster shots he won't need. He's a one-shot and done. That's all he needs. Now we'll go for the Tauntaun. Open our bag up here. Dispose of it. The bag was a lot easier to open. And he's got 2 faces here. 1, 2. We'll do this one because he's like, mini AT's coming my way. Find his torso. Put his, where do you go? Where did, oh, right in front of my face again. Put his little hat on. Now we need his snow goggles because of all the snow. And here we can either put it on top of his hat or put it over his eyes, and we'll do that. We'll put it over his eyes. Get his blaster going. As soon as I can find the piece right there. And he's a righty, so we'll put it, don't twist your hand at me. We'll put him right there and watch him go right there. Now they're not teammates right now, or right now they're teammates, right? Just until we can get his Tauntaun completed. I feel like the AT-AT has a little more pieces to it. I didn't count, but kind of felt like it. And now we'll put this on. Do not mind the noise upstairs. Don't know if you can hear it. It's just my sister's dog Max going crazy. Just like that. Does it look like a Tauntaun yet? Put these guys on. Whoa, stay down, stay down. Put you there. Let me set him down for a minute while I do these. And then we'll put like that. Touch you. Right, one more. Put you here. Not sure what these. I think these are supposed to be. I don't know, guys. I don't know what those are supposed to be. Put that there. To me, it's not looking much of anything. I don't know if these are supposed to be his arms or what. Excuse me, mister. Okay. We're flipping you over. We're gonna put you here with like that. Oh, okay. Thought I was doing something wrong there. And we'll put you down. And how many of these are we making? Just, oh, okay, just one. Put two of these on. Put it like that. Do it again for the other side. Two little studly doos. Get the right pieces here, like you. And or maybe right there. And now that's gonna sit over that. Interesting. Like that. And trying to skip a step. This is the tail. Okay, that makes sense. So these must be the arms. It's kind of looking like a Tauntaun. Face that down, so yeah. That's gonna go right in the middle. Put his little arms out. Okay, now we're gonna do the head here. Put it like that. There we go. Snap them together. Ouch. Oh, I just got poked. Just got poked. Make sure that's even. Put his little, not sure what these are, horns or ears. I'm gonna go with ears. Because you know, you need to hear. Oh, interesting. Put that there. And there you go. There's one little eyeball. Now let's do his others. Because you know, he does have two eyes. And there it is. Little Tauntaun head. Now we're gonna put, oh, it goes there, okay. His horns on, make him more authentic. Nope, don't cover that up. Don't cover that up. This is gonna go like this? Yeah, like this. So you go why is this so difficult, man? There you go. So you can control him like a horse. That's gonna go where the heck? Like that? That way his head can, you know, swivel wherever he wants to look. Doesn't have stiff neck. We'll face him this way. You know, same with his little tail. Can rotate it. You know, if he's scared, if he's happy, you know, wiggle it. Alright, I think now we're on to feet. We are on to feet. Sometimes they're a little difficult to put together. Or snap on, I mean. Put it this way. Put his toenails on. Touch him here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, leaning. He uses his other foot for balance. Make sure I didn't skip anything. I didn't. He's really got short legs. Look at that. Oh, the rip knocked him over. Sorry. Sorry, Luke. I'm sorry. You should tell your Tauntaun. No. No, he's playing dead. Do that. Like that, like so. No, they did. Did they give me? Oh, guys, I'm so dumb. Here we go again. This is the only piece I have left over. And it's supposed to go right. If I could get this guy off. Come on. Let me break him off. It's supposed to go here. I wonder why that was goofy. Get my bricks separator. This thing's like going to be my best friend. Let's try to put them back together now. That's supposed to go there. And then this guy here. So that when I connect this to here, that looks way better so he doesn't have a dang hole through his neck. And I gotta there we go. It's okay. Minor issue. Crisis averted. It's very something that should never happen, but we got through it. Now we can proceed and finish our Tauntaun. He's so happy to have his second leg. And there we have it, folks. I think, oh, we put Luke's lightsaber together so that the Tauntaun here can, you know, because why not run around with your lightsaber open to cut people or yourself? You know, you cut your leg while you're riding them. That's bad news. Got our binoculars because AT-AT driver's got one. He needs one. We got a lot of extra pieces here this time, but it's okay. We got two sets of horns. You know, another lightsaber handle, another bullet, you know, some more goggles. Oh, best part, another eye in case he loses one. He can lose one and be fine. There we have it. We'll set him down because he's ready for battle. He's ready to take the AT driver out. Although right now it looks like he's going to shoot his Tauntaun. So there you go. AT-AT versus Tauntaun. Microfighter. It's a nice little easy build, small builds. You know, you get two for the price of one per se, if you want to look at it that way. You know, do something a little different than the Republic gunship. But next week we'll be back at it with part 3 of the gunship. Looking forward to, completing it. We got a long ways to go, a couple weeks. We'll be focusing, I think, on the door next time. And yeah, it's a fun little build. You can put this on your desk. Little collectibles. Smaller than your average bear, but they work. They do. You got some, play with it. Shoot your little blaster. Ha! Boom! He's gonna shoot Tauntaun. Oh, it's a dud. Anywho, I'll be back at it next week with part 3 of the Republic gunship. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. You do you, I'm gonna do me, and I'll see you for part 3. Peace.